Okay, let's look at section 2.5, number 38. All right, so you have an equation involving exponential function, and we want to find the value of x. All right, we want to solve for x. All right, so just like any other equation, what you need to do is try to factor out the common factor. So let's look for that. All right, first obvious thing is there's e to the x right here. So there's e to the x in the first term, and there's e to the x in the second term. So we can pull that out. So I'm going to put e to the x outside. All right. And also, this guy has x, and here there's x here. So I'm going to circle a square here because there's another x there. So this is x there. Right. So I'll pull out x right here. Right. So if you factor out x e to the x from the first term, you will get x right here. Right? And x e to the x from the second term, what's left is just -5. Alright? Then set that equal to 0. Alright? So what we can do is we can just set each of these guys equal to 0. So the easiest one would be the first one. So here we can set this guy equal to 0. So we get x equals 0. Right? Right, we can set the second guy equal to 0, but remember that the e to the x is never 0. It's actually always positive, so this guy is never 0. So from here, we cannot get any x value, right? Then last factor is quantity x minus 5. So you have x minus 5 equal to 0. So from here, we can get x equals 5 by adding 5 to both sides. You get x equals 5, right? So therefore, x value is going to be, so therefore, x value is going to be 0, right here, and positive 5, right? So those are the x values, right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.